morning, everyone. Yes, a very warm welcome to you all. All auspicious occasions begin with the invoking of the blessings of the divine power. We will have our auspicious lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. To honor, I would like to call upon our Principal Ma'am Purnima Tai Shastri and our Vice Principal Ma'am Shamli Tai More to do the honors.
Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Tvam Aham Prarthane Devi Vidyadanam Cha Dehi Tvam Aham Prarthane Devi Vidyadanam Cha Dehi Vidyadanam Cha Dehi Vidyadanam Cha Dehi.
Yes, the meaning of the shloka is, Mother, we pray for your blessings with all humility. Bless us all with knowledge and wisdom. We are very proud to announce that our institution has completed 85 glorious years of dedication, devotion, and excellence in imparting education. The Abhiman Geet is a symbolic salute to Bal Vikas Kendra's Ramabai Paranspe Bal Mandir. As a mark of respect for the same, I request you all to kindly stand up for the Abhiman Geet.
आराध्य तू या अंतरी प्रतिमा तुझी मन मंदिरी तेजोमयी तू ज्ञानदा छाया तुझी अमुचावली
ज्ञानाचे अमृत शिंपून घडविसी या जीवना यश समृद्धी दायिनी तू आमची प्रेरणा आव्हाने जरी भवताली ठेवती आम्हा सदा भेदून त्या पार तुनेसी तू आमची प्रेरणा
तिमिरातुनी
तेजाकडे
आज्ञातुनी
ज्ञानाकडे
शून्यातुनी अनंताकडे नेसी आम्हा
बाल विकास केंद्र संचालित
रमाबाई परांजपे बालमंदिर शिशूना सुखबोधाय.
Thank you, everyone. On behalf of Ramabai Paranspe Bal Mandir, I, Seema Parak, take great pleasure to welcome our Honorable Principal Ma'am Purnima Tai Shastri, Vice Principal Mrs. Shamli Tai More, Andheri Branch Principal Mrs. Murdula Tai Fadke, Vice Principal Mrs. Anushri Orpe. I also extend a warm welcome to all the parents on the occasion of annual function of Nursery ICSE. I am extremely honored to address you all and lead you through this exciting morning. Parents, it's time to cheer, to chill, to shine, to inspire, and to be inspired. Before we start our show, a humble reminder to all the dear parents to keep your mobile phones off or on silent mode. There is an expert team appointed to shoot and capture the program. So parents, please avoid leaving your seats and coming forward to click photos or videos for the same. All parents will be given a pen drive from the school office. So put your mobile phones away and enjoy the performance live. I would like to mention that in spite of absenteeism, children have picked up very well. You can put your hands together for all the hard work put by our children and our teachers to make this event a memorable one. I guess it's time for you and your children. You need to know that every child has worked very hard to give a beautiful presentation right in front of their parents. So please, not only for your child, but we need the thunder of claps go on for each and every act. Yes? Yes. So our stage is ready and so are our lovely performers. The spirit is running high and the excitement can be felt in the air. Let us move ahead and get geared up for the first performance. Without taking much of your time, please permit me to start the program. Vitthal and Rakhumai are said to be the divine couple. Vitthal is the reincarnation of Lord Krishna. The way a mother nurtures her child with utmost love and care. In the same way, Lord Vitthal takes care of all his devotees. Hence, Lord Vitthal is called Mauli, which means Mother of the World. And Rukmini, being the favorite wife of Lord Vitthal, is the reincarnation of the goddess of prosperity, that is Lakshmi. The devotees of the divine couple are called as Varkaris. Varkaris go to Pandharpur to worship their god Vitthal and Rakhumai. In Indian culture, there's a tradition to welcome the guest with Diya Thali. Presenting to you the Vandan by group number 1 devotees of Vitthal Rakhumai with diyas in their hand. Yes, so let's put our hands together for Rakhumai, Rakhumai.
तुझ्या विना वैकुंठाचा कारभार चालना एकल्या विठुरायाला हो संसार पेलना येग येग रखुमाई ये भक्ताच्या माहेरी सावरीच्या पावलानी विठूच्या गाभारी तुझ्या विना वैकुंठाचा कारभार चालना एकल्या विठुरायाला हो संसार पेलना तुझी थोरवी महान तिन्ही लोकी तुला मान देई वरदान हो तुझ्या पालखीचे भोई रखुमाई 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 रखुमाई
साऱ्या जगाचा परी तू आम्हाला कराची विकुमावली
What an amazing performance. Let's give a big round of applause to all our little champs. A dream is a series of events or picture which happens in our mind while we are asleep. We all dream and so do our children. But children often have some exciting dreams. They dream about superheroes and they often want to look like them and want to become like them. If you tell them stories about fairies, Lord Ganesh, Lord Krishna, while they are asleep, the next day they will describe to you the story which they have experienced in their dream. One day, a little girl had a dream about Lord Ganesh. The next day, she told her mother that she saw Lord Ganesh in her dreams. She described Lord Ganesh as sweet, innocent, and a loving God. And Lord Ganesh was most happy when she called him Bappa. Yes, our favorite Bappa. Her dream is well depicted by all our cute little Ganesh Bhaks of Group 4 in our next performance, Mazha Bappa. Let's hear it for them.
माझा बाप्पा किती गोड दिसतो माझा मोरया किती गोड दिसतो माझा बाप्पा किती गोड दिसतो माझा मोरया किती गोड दिसतो सुंदर निरागस रूप आहे तुझे भक्तीत तल्लीन झाले मन माझे
सुंदर निरागस हे रूप तुझे भक्तीत तल्लीन झाले मन माझे
तू विश्वाचा पालनहारी किमया तुझी देवा आहे न्यारी
तू विश्वाचा पालनहारी किमया तुझी देवा आहे न्यारी
माझा बाप्पा किती गोड दिसतो माझा मोरया किती गोड दिसतो
was indeed a magnificent performance. Let's hear it for them. Now, let's gear up for some fun and floric dance loaded with energy. Our little children are going to take us to the world of Punjab. We will get to see them dance on the graceful tune of Bhangra. तीन रंगों का वस्त्र नहीं, यह ध्वज देश की शान है. हम भारतीयों के दिलों में यही तो वो स्वाभिमान है. यही है गंगा, यही है हिमालय, यही है हिंद की जान. तीन रंगों से रंगा है हमारा हिंदुस्तान. Yes, are you all proud to be Indians? Yes. So, let the colors fill our soul with pride. Rang de Basanti Yaar. Let's put our hands together for the next performance by Group 2 children presenting to you Rang de Basanti Yaar.
जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की. ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले. ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले. और मोह तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह तू रंग दे बसंती. मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती, मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती. मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती, मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती. मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती, मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती. मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती, मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती. ओ मोह रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती. मोह रंग दे बसंती, बसंती रंग दे बसंती. सपने रंग दे, अपने रंग दे, खुशियां रंग दे, गम भी रंग दे. नस्लें रंग दे, फसलें रंग दे, रंग दे धड़कन रंग दे, सरगम रंग दे, सूरत रंग दे, दर्पण. मोह मोह तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह तू रंग दे बसंती. थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की, थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की. थोड़ी सी खुशबू बाराई से मस्त पवन की. थोड़ी सी धोंकने वाली धक 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 सांसें. जिनमें हो जुनू जुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की. ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले. ये सब तू मिला मिला ले, फिर रंग तू खिला खिला ले. और मोह तू रंग दे बसंती यारा, मोह तू रंग दे बसंती. मोह रंग दे बसंती, रंग दे बसंती, रंग दे बसंती यारा.
That was a rocking and energetic performance. Let's hear it for them. Let's move forward. Make your life shining bright. Invest your time being wise and right. Productivity should be your aim. Create your own space and name. Be prepared to bend down the sky. If it hinders and ask you why, such was the passion of Indian scientists when they decided to launch the Mangalyaan. Mission Mangal is all about the grit, determination, and sheer desire to achieve a goal that everyone else believed was impossible. It made India the first nation in the world to do so in the maiden attempt. So hold your breath for the next performance by our little champs of Group 3, which is dedicated to our ISRO scientists on their mission Mangal.
Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है.
Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
मंजिल दूर 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 है, मुश्किल पास है, फिर भी ख्वाब 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 में ट्विंकल स्टार्स है. चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है.
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में मार्स है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है. अपने दिल में मार्स है, उड़ने की प्यास है. दिल में मार्स है. ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम स्पेस मंगलम शटल मंगलम पूर मंगलम स्वैग मंगलम हैश मंगलम टैग मंगलम प्रेम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम काउंटडाउन इग्निशन मंगलम. ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम टेलीस्कोप उड़ारे स्वाहा.
Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam. Om Mangalam Mission Mangalam.
अपने ब्रेन 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 की है कारस्तानी, हम तो ढूंढ 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 ले फायर में पानी, फायर में पानी. अपने देश 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 में सब कुछ मुमकिन है. We don't need 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 no मेहरबानी, no मेहरबानी. थोड़े फेल 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 है, फिर भी पास है. फुल टू मूड 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 में हम बिंदास है. चांद को करके रहेंगे आज ओवरटेक हम, पूरा चांस है.
3, 2, 1, boom.
दिल में मार्स है, ओ दिल में मार्स है. अपने दिल में मार्स है, उड़ने की प्यास है, क्योंकि दिल में मार्स है. ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम स्पीड मंगलम मेडल मंगलम जोश मंगलम जश्न मंगलम स्टाइल मंगलम फैशन मंगलम कॉस्मोस कंडीशन मंगलम टेक ऑफ परमिशन मंगलम. ओम मंगलम मिशन मंगलम कायनात सारे स्वाहा.
That was an astonishing performance. Let's give it a big round of applause to everyone. Let's move ahead. Friendship. Okay, parents? Yes. Friendship is an expression of love, respect, care, and trust. Friendship is one of the most great, wonderful bonds we share. It is one of the most beautiful bonds in the world. The world comes to life when we have a friend around us. A friend is the one who will make us laugh louder, smile brighter, and our life will be better. We all know the famous quote, "A friend in need is a friend indeed," signifies the essence of true friendship. Let us all welcome the children of Group 1 to perform on a delightful song which is sure to bring a smile on our face. On the song of For Friendship, let us all welcome children of Group 1.
Sometimes you think you'll be fine by yourself, 'cause a dream is a wish that you make all alone. It's easy to feel like you don't need help, but it's harder to walk on your own. You'll chase
If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need. You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh, ooh. You can count on me 'cause I can count on you.
That was an outstanding performance. Let's hear it for them. Let's move forward with another performance. Yes. 2nd April holds a very special day in the history of India. On this very day, in the year 1984, IFA squadron leader Rakesh Sharma flew aboard a spacecraft and became the first Indian to journey into the space. Do you remember the famous reply when the then Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi asked, "How does India look like from the space above?" Does anybody remember? Yes, the reply was, "Sare jahan se acha." Indeed it is. A land of diverse nation, bringing together all cultures, and it ensures harmony and peace. Yes, Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara, and we all are proud to be Hindustani. Are we? Yes. So we all stand high when it comes up to protecting our motherhood, our motherland. Let us all kindle the spirit of patriotism, integration, and nationalism in our next performance, performed by our group 4 children in the song Chak De India and Hum Hindustani. Suno gaur se duniya walo. Yes, let's hear it for them.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले, हाय कुछ करिए, कुछ करिए, बस बस बड़ा बोले, अब कुछ करिए। ओ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए, हाय कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए, तू बेतरिए या मरिए। चक दे
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है,
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां सबसे प्यारा। आओ हम मिलजुल के बोले अब तो यारा, अपना जहां है सबसे प्यारा।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। जलते शरारे हैं, पानी के धारे हैं, हम काटे कटते नहीं।
जो वादा करते हैं करके निभाते हैं, हम पीछे हटते नहीं।
वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अपनी शान है। वक्त है, उम्र है, जोश है और जान है, ना झुके ना मिटे देश तो अपनी शान है।
हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो।
ए सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी, हिंदुस्तानी।
A big round of applause for our little Hindustanis. Yes. सबसे आगे हो गए? Yes. Parents, I hope you all are enjoying the program. Yes. Let's move ahead. Let's move to our next traditional dance performance. Any guesses? Yes. This dance form, parents, can we have silence? Yes. This dance form is the most famous and the loved dance form in India. It is traditionally performed during the 9 days of Navratri festival. This dance form originates from the state of Gujarat. Garba is a dance that honors, worships, and celebrates the feminine form of divinity and power of goddess Durga. In our next dance performance, devotees of Group 3, the Chail Chabilis, wearing their traditional bright chanya cholis, carrying matkas on their head, will seek blessings of goddess Durga and dance on the popular dance number Dholida. હાલો હાલો જઈએ આપણે ગરવી ગુજરાતમાં. Put your hands together for the wonderful performance.
ढोलीड़ा ढोलीड़ा सैयर मारी सैयर रे हिच लई गरबे घुमो ढोलीड़ा ना ढोल बाजा धम 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 धमक धम
Did you all feel like joining them for the Garba? Yes, let's hear it for them. I think when we tell in the class, children, can we keep silence? Our children listen more sooner because you all are taking a lot of time. We just count 1, 2, 3 and they are quiet. Yes. An expression of gratitude cannot be justified unless spoken in loving words. It is like an unwrapped gift, untouched. So I invite Vaishali teacher to express a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Seema teacher. A magnificent morning to everyone present here. As we move towards the end of today's program, I, Mrs. Vaishali Toshi, on behalf of Ramabai Paranjpe Bal Mandir, feel privileged to stand before you to propose the words of sincere gratitude towards the people without whom this event would not have been possible. I especially grateful to our principal ma'am, Ms. Purnima Sastry, Vice Principal ma'am, Ms. Shamli More, for their supervision and guidance to make this event unforgettable. Sincere thanks to all the teaching and non-teaching staff for their support and untiring efforts. We are also thankful to Mr. Tejas Pawar of Vaibhav Decorators for the suitable stage setting, lighting, and sitting arrangement. I also extend my thanks to Mr. Babu Shetke for providing sound system and Mr. Santosh Tavri for the video recording of the entire program. We genuinely thank our doctors, Dr. Habbu and Dr. Patnakar, who have been available for any medical help to the children whenever needed. My greetings to the parents who have been patient listeners. Your support and encouragement are greatly acknowledged. We sincerely thank you and hope your belief and blessings will remain with us forever. As we move towards the end, a big thank you to our little champs of nursery who have put in their endeavors for making this event a grand success. Once again, I thank everyone who directly and indirectly have contributed to make this event successful. I will now conclude my vote of thanks and request Seema teacher to take over. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishali teacher. Moving on to our last performance. Yes. A passionate monarch, the founder and the ruler of Hindavi Swaraj is none other than our Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, we all are proud. A great king, a brave warrior, and indeed Maharashtra's pride, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, will keep inspiring generations to come. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj had a brave Maratha army known as Mavlas, who helped Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in achieving his goals. They considered Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj as their Mallari. Mallari is the name of a Hindu god, a manifestation of Lord Shiva, that is Khandoba. Now, our little Mavlas of Group 2 will offer a tribute to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Yes, let's hear it. Jai Bhavani, Jai Shivaji, Har Har, Har Har. Yes, let's begin.
पको
तेजतम अंश पर गंडजनी कंस पर कोमलिच्छ वंश पर शेर शिवराज है।
जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी जय भवानी जय भवानी जय शिवाजी जय शिवाजी।
That was an electrifying performance. Yes, we all got goosebumps. Yes, literally, as if real Shivaji is in front of us. Yes, wonderfully they have performed. Our young dancers have truly been amazing, graceful, and extraordinary. Yes, so let us all give a big round of applause for all of them. And thank you, parents, for being such wonderful audience. The sound of claps have gone a long way to encourage all our little performers. As we come to the end of the program, I would like to say today that we have witnessed some great dances and some great talent. Yes, all are very talented and they have put in lot of hard work. Yes, and even our teachers have put lot of hard work. It is not easy for them to come and stand and perform in front of all of you. Even we will be scared, but they have done a very good job. Yes. So let us cherish the present, nurture our children with warmth and support of love, because that is what they need from us. Yes, only warmth and love and support them, that is all they need from us. Yes, so thank you parents for all the support. I request you all to please stand up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल वंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग, तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा, जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता, जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। भारत माता की वंदे मातरम।